tell you something, okay, Sonny? Back in my day, when I lived with my parents, I gave 0 fucks and had a 50-foot Ethernet cord across the entire house. Told that bitch I ain't got time for this 802.11b bullshit connection. I need all my packets. She hated it. I pushed the rug to cover the cord. That way she wouldn't bitch. She still bitch. I didn't give a shit. Thug life. Okay?
I don't know where I was going with that one, but there you go. By the way, in case I actually was not shitting. I honestly did do that. Like, until I was, I moved out when I just turned 22. I had a 50-foot Ethernet cord that just dragged from the kitchen, put into the router that I bought, from the kitchen all the way to my room, and I didn't give a fuck. Like, I was like, look, our internet's already shit up as it is. I don't need wireless making it shit fuller. And she put up with it because I gave her no option. I was like, you're gonna fucking I'm already working with 0.5 down, 0.1 up, and I can't let this booty ass router be another variable in my already useless connection.